Hi, my parcel has just arrived, which is coffee soup and also Skintella repairing serum by Kayman Beauty. So this will be my first impression of these two products, coffee soup. Let us open it. A deep cleansing formula soup that is made from pure honey and activated charcoal, which gives you a healthy, clean, and smoother skin. Oh, mari kita buka. Okay. Dalam dia macam berkilat tau. Dia ada macam glitter. Aku tak sure tu honey ke apa. Sebab ingredient dia. These are the ingredients: aqua, activated charcoal, pure honey glycerin, cocamidopropyl betaine, sodium hydroxide. So, yep. Let us smell the soup first. Okay, it smells like honey. I'm so excited to use this actually. So another one will be the Skintella repairing serum. I want to open it as well. Kita buka Dia macam tak ada bau. Dia healthy kind of smell. So, and the texture is, I don't want to waste any actually, but let me just try a bit. Watery. Macam senang nak absorb lah into your skin, which is good. So previously I uploaded a video on aloe vera jelly by Forever. In that video I mentioned that I've been having a breakout due to Hada Labo cleanser and also simple cleanser. So I haven't used any cleanser and moisturizer until now, except for aloe vera jelly only, but it doesn't really help lah because it doesn't moisturize my skin, obviously. And I've been having these acne here. Actually, you cannot see because of this filter, thank God. So I'm really looking forward to use this Kayman. I rasa macam malas nak patch test, tapi tengok macam mana. I really hope that this suit my skin well and will help my skin to get better. And probably I will do a review video next time. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.